what's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to unbox a budget phone from Xiaomi. This is called Xiaomi MIA2. So I bought this in Kuwait. I'm here in Kuwait right now, so I bought this from alisai.com. So if you want to buy something from Alisai, it's a very good company because the service is so quick. I just ordered this last night, maybe around 3 a.m. in the morning. I don't know. They still have a customer service even though it's early morning, and I also received it the same day. So I received it around 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. So if you want to buy something from Alisai, just check out the description below. I will link it down there. So it's Alisai by PCC. So alisai.com, their website. They have also their Instagram, Facebook, and I don't know what is that, another one. So let's begin. So this phone is it's a dual camera. The main camera is 12 megapixel and 20 megapixel, and the front facing camera is also 20 megapixel. So the chipset is Qualcomm Snapdragon 660, 4 gig of RAM and 32 gig of ROM, and the software is Android 1, meaning this is stock Android. You can get all the latest update from Google. So let's begin. You want to see Alisai. Okay, throw the thing. Okay, what is this? This is the manual. We have here the manual. Then we have a USB-C dongle. I know why, because this phone don't have a earphone jack. So this one, it doesn't have a 3.5 millimeter jack. And what we have is the SIM, the needle to take out the SIM card. And what we have also is a rubber casing. It's very nice. What else we have here? We have the charging cable, USB-C, and we have, I cannot remove the charger. Oh, the charger is just a 2-pin charger. So meaning if you're in Kuwait, so you need a adapter, because it's just a 2-pin. If you're in the Middle East, all outlet here is a 3-pin. Okay, let's check out the phone. Oh, very nice build quality. So let's take out. So MIA2, 12 megapixel, 20 megapixel dual cam, 20 megapixel front facing camera, Qualcomm Snapdragon 660. Okay, so Android 1. Oh, nice, Android 1. So the screen is around 5.99 inch. So it's a big phone compared to where's my other phone? Compared to my Lenovo, my very old Lenovo phone. It's more bigger than my old phone. But there's a notch here. The camera have a bump. So let's start. Skip setupin. Skip. And also it has a fingerprint sensor, so you can unlock this by your fingerprint. And what else? Okay, so that's it for now. I will leave a review on my next video. I will make a full review of this phone. So see you again next time. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.